What if your 40s were not the beginning of the end, but the beginning of everything you were meant to become? You're not too late. In fact, you are right on time. This video will show you how to unlock your potential, reprogram your mindset, and build success faster than ever before. By the time most people hit their 40s, they either feel stuck in routine or pressured by time. Society whispers, "You should have made it by now." But what if I told you that some of the most powerful business empires, legacies, and personal reinventions began after 40? Colonel Sanders started KFC at 62. Vera Wang entered fashion at 40. And Sam Walton didn't open the first Walmart until 44. Age is not your obstacle, it's your edge. If you play this video while you work, drive, or relax, you're already feeding your subconscious the blueprint of a future millionaire. Welcome to Billionaire Secrets Unlocked. Let's begin your transformation. Part 1. Shift your identity, your new psychology. Success is not about what you do first. It's about who you become. Most people in their 40s operate from an outdated identity. You've been taught to play it safe. But now, your mission is to reprogram that inner dialogue. Repeat this with me quietly. I am not behind. I am building. I am not too old. I am just getting started. Your brain believes what you tell it most. This is called identity repetition, a powerful subliminal method used by billionaires. They rehearse who they're becoming until it's automatic. Action step. Write down the person you want to be, then speak as if you are already that person. Do this daily. Part 2. Analyze your strengths and leverage them. At 40, you have what most 20-somethings don't: wisdom, emotional intelligence, and real-world experience. Now, it's time to do a personal audit. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? What do people consistently come to me for? What am I naturally good at? Then monetize it. Today's economy rewards value. You can build a coaching business, write an ebook, start consulting, or launch a digital product. You already have gold in your story. Now it's time to mine it. Subliminal cue. Comment, "My knowledge has value," below if you're ready to get paid for what you already know. Part 3. Study the market and trends. We are living in the most opportunity-rich time in human history. But to take advantage, you must learn how the wealthy think. Billionaires do not chase trends. They position themselves before the wave. So what industries are booming right now? AI and automation. Digital education and online courses. Financial literacy and content creation. Remote services and virtual consulting. Real estate and REIT investing. Health and wellness for aging populations. Do not underestimate the power of your niche. Mini challenge. Pick one skill you can learn in the next 90 days. Commit to mastering it. That's how you reposition for wealth. Part 4. Rewire your mind through environment and ritual. Billionaires design their environments to trigger high performance. What you see, hear, and feel daily programs your future. Here's your formula. Morning equals momentum. Evening equals programming. Start your day with clarity. Review your vision. Play motivational affirmations while getting ready. Before bed, play our How You Can playlist to seed success into your subconscious. Subliminal cue. Like this video if you're ready to control your environment instead of letting it control you. Part 5. Build a second income stream, no matter what. Your 40s are not just about survival. They are about stacking assets. No more relying on one paycheck or one employer. Here are fast paths to start. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love. Digital content creation. Teach what you know. Drop servicing. Connect buyers with service providers. Real estate investing. Even just one property or REIT. Remember, wealthy people don't trade time for money. They trade systems for freedom. Subliminal cue. Say it with me. I earn money in my sleep. Now comment it to affirm the belief. Part 6. Upgrade your circle. Your social circle is either reinforcing your limits or expanding your vision. If your friends only talk about problems, you'll stay stuck. If they talk about possibilities, you'll expand. Practical step. Join an online mastermind. Follow wealth-based YouTube channels like this one. Surround yourself with people who speak the language of wealth, growth, and vision. Remember, proximity is power. Wealth is contagious. Part 7. Play the long game with urgency. Here is the most underrated mindset: urgency with patience. Move fast, but think in decades. Billionaires think like chess players. Every move is part of a bigger vision. In your 40s, you now have the wisdom to play the long game, but the time to act is now. Mini mission. Write down one goal you will complete in 12 months. Break it into 90-day sprints. Create urgency, then commit. You are not too late. You are right on time. This is not about catching up. It is about leveling up. You've learned how to shift your identity, how to turn your skills into income, what trends to position yourself, and how to reprogram your environment, how to build multiple income streams, how to upgrade your network, how to apply urgency and patience. This is your moment. Subliminal CTA. Like this video if something inside of you just clicked. Comment, I am ready for my next chapter, to make it real. Subscribe for weekly strategies from Billionaire Secrets Unlocked. And play our How You Can playlist in the background throughout your day. Let the sound of transformation shape your next 10 years. You are not just learning success. You are becoming it.